Hello, welcome you all. Today we are going to see our first Python exercise program. First we are going to learn about print function. For print function, it will be print anything inside the open braces, double quotes, and the string. String is nothing but a collection of multiple characters. The print function will execute all the thing within the double quotes. Now let's see. I type print open braces, double quotes, hello world, and double exclamatory. Let's try with the run command. Yeah, we get the output. Same as within the print statement. The print as you can see, what are the things we enter into the double quotation or the things we called strings, which is a collection of multiple characters. So we can make unconsider by using control plus uh, front slash symbol by pressing. As you can see, it will be started with the hash. The line started with the hash will not be considered during program run. Let's try. The another thing I want to teach you in the next session is slash and this whenever you want to print the characters or strings in a new line, we have to use slash n option. As you can see, I'll type here like hello world slash n. Welcome to my channel slash n, and then let's start Python learning. Let's start to learn Python. So it will be printed in the different line. Even if we type all these things in the same line, we use the slash n command to print all the thing in a different line. So the output will be in a different line. So again, I'll make the line unconsider, and then the next thing we are going to learn is a character string addition. In this session, we will learn how to combine multiple strings into a single output. So first I'll type hello plus into the double quotation word plus double quotation exclamatory symbol. So by using this conjugation symbol, we will add all these things. Now the strings are printed without any space. If I want a space means I'll add a space within the double quotes. So the space will be included in the print statement output. That's all friends. Today our agenda. Please continue to watch to make more videos like this. Please watch, subscribe and support. Thank you.